Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update. Now, you'll have to excuse my temporary backdrop here of hotel curtains, but I am on the road. But we are still bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. This, of course, includes exciting stock market news, our biggest gainers and losers, as well as notable earnings reports. This is just your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Don't forget to check out the TipRanks Twitter page to stay up to date with all of the latest market news. All right, now here we go. Starting off with stock market news. U.S. stock futures are a bit mixed this morning, with Dow futures being up 0.2%, S&P 500 up 0.1%, and the Nasdaq down 0.06%. Today, we are starting off with some exciting TipRanks specific news, as just yesterday it was announced that TipRanks has closed a $77 million investment round to support the retail investor frenzy. So a huge congratulations to Yuri and Gilad, who founded TipRanks back in 2012. Yuri said that in addition to being the only company that ranks analysts based on their performance rather than the prestige of the bank they work for, we are the only company that makes aggregated analyst ratings available to retail investors. This gives investors access to information that would otherwise cost tens of thousands of dollars each year. By doing so, we enable retail investors to make data-driven investment decisions. In other news, we have UPS, or the United Parcel Service, who plans to acquire electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft from Beta Technologies as it looks to enhance its air delivery services in select markets across the U.S. UPS will be able to plan a series of short routes or one long route on a single charge to meet customer needs. The aircraft comes with a 250-mile range and a 1,400-pound cargo capacity, ideally suited for time-sensitive deliveries. The aircraft will be of a great benefit to healthcare providers as well as small and medium-sized businesses in need of time-sensitive packages. The UPS stock does come in as a moderate buy with a current average upside potential just over 8%. Syndax Pharma's axatilimab has received orphan drug designation from the FDA for treating patients with chronic lung disease. That lung disease is idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, or IPF. Syndax Pharmaceuticals' CEO said that IPF is a serious, life-limiting orphan disease, and today's orphan drug designation validates axatilimab's potential to serve as an effective therapeutic option for the currently underserved patients living with this rare disease. Syndax Pharmaceutical stock does come in as a strong buy currently, with an average upside potential of 55%. Technology-enabled services platform provider Health Equity has agreed to acquire Further for a consideration of $500 million. Further provides health savings account and consumer direct benefit administration services. This acquisition helps Health Equity expand its leadership into the HSA market and enhance its ability to achieve higher growth with health plans and other go-to-market partners. Further has about 550,000 HSA customers and 1.7 billion HSA assets under custody. This increases Health Equity's HSA members to 6.3 million and HSA assets to more than $16 billion. Health Equity stock does currently come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of nearly 30%. And Tyson Foods has invested $425 million in a new poultry complex in Humboldt, Tennessee that officially opened yesterday. The new poultry complex is the food company's biggest investment in Tennessee and the single largest corporate investment ever in Gibson County. The poultry complex includes a hatchery, feed mill, and processing plant and is expected to employ 1,500 people by 2023. Production is expected to start in the later part of this month and will produce pre-packaged trays of fresh chicken for retail grocery stores nationwide. Tyson Foods currently only has 2 analyst ratings, and they come in with a buy and a hold and an average upside potential of just 2%. Now let's take a look at this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting out with our biggest gainer this morning, and that is AFAMED. Trading under the ticker AFMD, they're currently up nearly 34% in the pre-market. We also have Gulf Resources under GURE, currently up 33%. And Celsuity under CELC, currently up 31%. Taking a look at our biggest losers, we have Provention Bio Incorporated. Under the ticker PRVB, they're currently down nearly 40%. We also have Chemomab Therapeutics, who are down 25% in the pre-market. However, this was following a gain of 111% yesterday. And Verpax Pharmaceuticals under VRPX, currently down 16% in the pre-market, following a gain of 30% yesterday. Now taking a look at notable earnings reports. Starting off with the jeanswear company Levi Strauss, who delivered strong first quarter results as the company's sales and profits in the first quarter exceeded street expectations. The jeanswear company reported adjusted diluted earnings per share of 34 cents, which came in ahead of analyst expectations of 24 cents. Levi's revenues in the first quarter did decline 13% year over year to $1.3 billion, but still came in ahead of analyst estimates of $1.2 billion. Levi Strauss does come in as a strong buy, with an average upside potential of nearly 10%. We also have Conagra Brands, who is the maker behind some popular food brands such as Duncan Hines, Orville Redenbacher, and Slim Jims. They reported strong revenues and profits in their fiscal third quarter. Adjusted earnings per share of 59 cents came in ahead of estimates of 58 cents per share, while revenues increased 8.5% year over year to $2.8 billion, beating consensus estimates of $2.72 billion. Conagra also bought back 8.8 million shares for $298 million. Analysts seem quite split on the stock, however, as it comes in as a hold with one buy rating, one hold, and one sell, for an average upside potential just shy of 2. The rest of the day is pretty quiet for earnings reports. Next week will pick up, though, as we expect to hear from many of the large banks. So that is Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with everything you need to know before the opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. We'll be back here Monday through Friday next week with videos, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well. Have a great weekend, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.